what is all this stuff about vitamin D, and what do we need to tell our audience?
Well, it's a big thing now, and this right now is coming out into the media. And vitamin D, it's been around for gazillion years.
Right.
And but when it comes down to it, we have new information that now African Americans and the Hispanic, as well as myself being a bit on the olive color, that we are actually overprotecting ourselves from the regions that we originated from. So when it comes down to the pigment of melanin, which African Americans have, as well as the Hispanic community, they are actually not absorbing the amount of vitamin D that's necessary on a daily consumption.
Well, yeah, let me make sure that I understand exactly what we have here, Dr. Mack. The Africans who came from tropical areas, from equatorial areas, the melanin in their skin was actually protective to prevent them from being overly burned.
Exactly.
Right? The sunlight converts cholesterol in the skin to vitamin D.
Correct.
But the melanin allowed only so much to get through.
Exactly.
Right? Now you take an African or dark-skinned person and you move them suddenly to a temperate zone where there is a much less intense sunlight, and they're suddenly at a disadvantage.
It is. It is. And we're seeing more and more with the data that what's going on is you're seeing a deficiency in vitamin D over a prolonged time versus an insufficiency, which has then turned into a deficiency.